Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can schedule a Zoom meeting for Outlook. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So on Outlook, you can basically find, there's no way where you can send have a Zoom meeting from the application. There's basically no way you can do this. So what you can do actually though is from the Zoom meeting app, okay? So how we can do this is that you're going to first of all download the Zoom meeting app, and after that you're going to launch Zoom. Now from Zoom you're going to sign in, and they're going to click on the schedule icon. Okay. Now from the schedule icon you're going to name your Zoom meeting. In my case I'll name it Discuss. Okay, now from there you're going to click on the attendees, and from the attendees you're going to send an invitation for a specific email on Outlook that you want. So I'm going to click on invite a new contact, and I'm going to put my own email. So in my case, my own email over here, and then I'm going to click on add. After you click on add, it's going to show you an invitation has been sent to my own email. Now, if I open my inbox, as you can see, I'm going to find a Zoom invitation link, and you can accept it, and then you can actually join the Zoom meeting or be a part of the Zoom meeting that is scheduled. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.